This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your metabolism. We'll dive into practical steps you can take to optimize your body's energy engine. Understanding how your metabolism works is the first step towards feeling more energetic and achieving your health goals. We'll cover key areas like what you eat, how you move, and important lifestyle factors that all play a crucial role in metabolic health. Get ready to learn simple yet powerful strategies. Fueling your body correctly is fundamental for a metabolic reset. Focus on incorporating plenty of lean protein into every meal, which helps build and maintain muscle mass, a key metabolic driver. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Also, fill your plate with whole, unprocessed foods like colorful vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Don't forget hydration. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily is essential for optimal metabolic function. Movement is a powerful tool for boosting your metabolism. Prioritize strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Building muscle mass is crucial because muscle burns more calories even at rest. Complement this with at least 150 minutes of moderate cardiovascular exercise weekly, like brisk walking or cycling. Additionally, look for opportunities to increase your daily non-exercise activity, such as taking the stairs or standing more often. Every bit of movement counts. Beyond diet and exercise, lifestyle factors significantly impact your metabolic health. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate metabolism. Effectively manage stress through practices like meditation or deep breathing, which helps lower cortisol, a hormone that can hinder metabolic function. Finally, consider meal timing strategies, such as maintaining a 12-hour eating window to support your body's natural metabolic rhythms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.